What if I told you this smartphone can zoom farther than some professional cameras? Not just that. It can shoot photos so detailed that people online are comparing it to full-frame mirrorless cameras. This is the Oppo Find X9 Ultra, and honestly, it might be the craziest camera phone ever made. But here's the shocking part. After using it, some reviewers said this phone actually made their expensive cameras feel unnecessary in certain situations. So today we're breaking down why the Oppo Find X9 Ultra is suddenly terrifying Samsung, Apple, and even Sony. Because this phone is doing things that honestly shouldn't be possible on a smartphone. The moment you see the Find X9 Ultra, one thing becomes obvious. Oppo wanted this phone to look like a professional camera. That massive circular camera module on the back is impossible to ignore. And surprisingly, it actually works. Instead of looking weird, it gives the phone a premium camera-like identity, especially in the brown leather-style finish. It honestly looks more like a luxury camera accessory than a smartphone. But yes, this thing is big, it's thick, it's heavy, and it absolutely dominates your pocket. Some people will hate that immediately. But the size actually makes sense once you realize what Oppo packed inside this monster. Because the cameras in this phone are insane. Most smartphones today follow the same formula. One main camera, one ultra-wide, one telephoto. Done. But Oppo basically said, what if we go completely insane? The Find X9 Ultra includes multiple massive sensors, dual 200MP cameras, and a dedicated 10x optical zoom system. Yes, 10 times optical zoom, not digital, real optical zoom. That means you can photograph things ridiculously far away while keeping actual detail. And this is where things start becoming scary for other smartphone brands, because reviewers are saying the zoom quality on this phone is on another level. Street photography, wildlife shots, concerts. Sports, this phone handles them like no normal smartphone should. Now here's the part that sounds completely fake. Oppo created an optional teleconverter lens attachment for this phone, and when you attach it, the zoom becomes absolutely ridiculous. Some reviewers literally used this setup at sports events instead of carrying giant camera lenses. Think about that for a second. A phone replacing dedicated camera gear. That would have sounded impossible just a few years ago. And the wild part is, the photos actually look good, not good for a smartphone. Just genuinely good. That's why so many people online are calling this the new camera king. This is where things get interesting. Samsung phones usually push aggressive colors and sharpness. iPhones focus on consistency and video. But Oppo seems obsessed with pure photography. The Find X9 Ultra produces photos with incredible detail, realistic colors, and strong dynamic range. Portrait shots especially look stunning. Background blur looks more natural.